Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce using ketchup. First, combine 1 cup of your favorite ketchup with 1/4 cup of water in a small saucepan. Next, add 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. This forms the base of our unique sauce. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until they are well combined and smooth. This initial step is crucial for achieving the right consistency and flavor foundation. Now place your saucepan over medium-low heat. Stir the mixture frequently to prevent sticking and ensure even heating. You want to bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, not a rapid boil, as this allows the flavors to meld beautifully without over-reducing. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This slow cooking process is key to transforming the ketchup into a rich, savory tomato sauce. To enhance the taste, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. These aromatics will elevate the sauce's depth. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper for a classic Italian touch. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings as needed. Sometimes, a small pinch of sugar can balance the acidity perfectly, creating a well-rounded flavor profile. Your delicious homemade tomato sauce, crafted from ketchup, is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm over your favorite pasta, as a base for pizza, or with meatballs. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making meal prep easy. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after all that cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.